I'm Raymond Zimmerman from Cantor, Iowa. I'm the owner of ZML Manufacturing, and we got the Hostetler strip-till row unit here, and we feel we have something that's above all the rest. We got the swivel on the row unit to where on contours and everything, the open rolling basket, and the closers here, they're all individual. There's no grease certs on the main part of the unit. The row cleaners are Martin row cleaners, and we feel with our Hydroflex row unit, it can go up and down. They're all tied together as one series, so if you got uneven ground, why it just flexes and floats every direction it needs to go. So we feel we have a pretty unique row unit. You can be setting in the cab, you can indicate where your row unit's at. If you want to run the shank a little deeper or shallower, or if you get into soft, you can pull it up a little. There's lots of features on this row unit that we feel nobody really has. The history on this row unit, we started out in 2013. I'm also a farmer by building manure equipment for there on our farm, and we had different people at shows on the manure equipment side ask us to build a strip till. So we had 4 farmers out of Iowa and Illinois that came together, and we all helped design this unit for us here at Zimmerman Manufacturing. So it's all farm built. The manufacturing today is still right on my farm. There'll still be time yet now for some for this fall yet. We are today yet trying to find dealers that will want to sell our product for us. We have a lot of interest so far what we showed. At this time, it's very early in the manufacturing part side of it.